Fellow brawlers, it's your host Samba, and it's time to brawl with the stars. Today I'm doing a face off between the two healers, Poco and Pam. Both are really good, of course, and I'll be playing in all the modes except for the special event, of course, because it's not there yet, to see who is actually the best. Now, firstly, I'll just give the stats for Poco. In Gem Grab, I'll give him, well, out of 10 I'll give him about 6 or 5. I'll give him 5 out of 10 because he's not really good there. In Showdown, in Solo, I'll give him 6 I guess, and in Duo also 6 because not the best but fine. Brawl Ball I'll give 8 out of 10. Bounty I'll give 10 out of 10, and Heist I'll give 9 out of 10. Overall I'll give 7.5 out of 10 because you may see, you can tally it with others that Poco is not the best in Gem Grab. Not the best. Neither is he in Showdown, Duo and Solo. In Brawl Ball he's actually pretty good. Just not the best. Helio. Like 7 or 8. Yeah, something like that. Bounty is just amazing, and you totally need him to win the match. One healer like Poco is all that you need. He can heal you in every direction just if you're in front of him. His super charges are very fast, so which is really amazing. It's really amazing, and it can be very helpful too. Now for Pam. Come on, Pam. Yeah, there you go. For Pam, the thing is that to get healed by her, you have to stay in one position, just around a small circle, because her healing toolkit called Mama's Kiss is just stays over there. So you can't really move out of it if you want to heal yourself, of course. So it can be a little bit of a problem if you're playing in let's see, Showdown. Yeah. In Showdown she's not good at all. I mean, she's really strong of course, but since this is a battle of healers, in healing she's not really good in Showdown. And we all agree with that, I guess. Okay, now for me personally, in Gem Grab I think let's give her 7, okay? 7 out of 10. Brawl Ball, not really, because if you have to come back to one place continuously, it doesn't really help. Then in Bounty can be fine, I guess. Oh, 1 minute, sorry. In Showdown I'll give her really less, like 6 out of 10 or so. No, that's actually a lot. I'll give her 4 out of 10. Yeah, roast me in the comments for that, I don't care. But for me personally, it should be 6 out of 10. Or 4 out of 10. Okay, I'll settle with 5 out of 10. Alright? 5 out of 10. Just for you all. In Brawl Ball, I'll give her a 7. In Bounty, let's give her an 8. She's good. In Heist. Now in Heist she's really good in Heist. Like Poco is good in Bounty. This Pam is awesome in Heist. So in Heist, you really need her. So in Heist, I'll give her a 10 out of 10. And overall, for Poco it was 7.5. While for Pam, I don't know. I think I'll give her 7. For me only. I don't know about others, but for me and from all the other professional players' matches, I'll go with the 7 out of 10 for Pam and 7.5 out of 10 for Poco. So now let's start. First, I'll give Poco the pleasure. So starting off with Gem Grab. Come on, hurry up. While we wait for the match to start, I think I'd like to ask a question. So it can be a question time, I guess, because I also like to ask some questions which you might not have noticed. Many people have not noticed these things, and since I have noticed, so I like to ask it. And whoever answers the question correctly, I'll mention him in the next video. You can write the answer down in the comment section below. So the question is, how many skins for the brawlers have been taken from Clash of Clans? Yeah, this is a really interesting question. Really interesting. How many skins have been taken from Clash of Clans and used for brawlers instead? You have to tell me the number and the name. Ah, so close. But still fine. And by the end of the video, I'll give you a view, my own view, on how good the healers actually are and what you might use instead. If you don't want to use a healer, then just couldn't get to 10 gems. Let's see what they can do. So now I practically have to hide, because if I don't, I'll lose. Yeah. Just I hope my teammates can get just one gem at least. Get it? Come on, Dynamite. Seriously? Okay. Now. That's bad. Still standing at 10 gems. Oh no, it's 9. What are you doing? Now it's all upon me. If I lose, then it's over. Come on, Poco. Let's see what you can do. What? Seriously? This match is getting better and better. The match is just getting better and better now, guys. It's seriously just getting better and better. Okay, okay. No! I have to protect that Dynamite. There's so many happening in the time. No, I won't let you get close. No chance. Good job, Poco. Now, I owe an apology to Poco. I really did not expect him to win so well. That was actually pretty good for him. Pretty good actually. Good job there. Okay. So now, let me get the power points first. How many? 25. To whom now? I think I'll give it to Daryl. Is it? No. Okay, I'll think about it later. Not now. Next. Oh, and one more thing. I'll be playing only duo showdown, not solo showdown. Yeah, sorry for that. Really sorry for that, but I don't have enough time. You know, all the work I have. I'm actually pretty busy. Oh no, that was a joke. But anyway, I'll only play duo showdown, not solo. Okay, let's start. I have an 8-bit in my team. Okay, that's good. 8-bit is actually really good. Yeah. He wouldn't really fall under the category called healer. But yeah, that's fine. He'll do well. Because he gives us power at least. And the power is also needed. So now going on to the attack. Hello teammates. No, no, no. Oh, come on. That was a really bad time to get out. I bet. No! That's a loss for Poco. Because of a really... No, that was actually my fault. I should have checked the bush. That's bad. Now, brawl ball. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Come on. Sprout. Yeah, Sprout is really good. Tick. And a Poco and my opponent. Okay, that's good. We'll do fine, I guess. You can score now. Score now. Good job there. Well done to all of you. Score it, score it. Oh wow. Good goal there. Good goal there. Okay. So there's one more win for Poco. Good teammates, that's all actually. But yeah. Oh no. What? Yeah, there. Oh, come on. That's better. So that's one more win for Poco. Next in Bounty. Oh yeah. This is really Poco's place. This is really Poco's place. Let's see how well he does. And come on Poco, you have to prove that he did a good job by giving you 10 out of 10 bounty. You have to prove it. Seriously? Oh great. Come on! That was a really bad time. At least we'll make the most of the match left. Good job there, I guess. Okay, 4 stars. Okay, okay. Okay, good job there. Good job there, team. Defeated. Oh no. Too bad. Oh no. No, no, no. Oh no. Oh no, we won. Ah. My bad, I just forgot that we won. Poco did really well, I guess, again. So I did not play the first 20 seconds or so of the match, but still, Poco did really well. Good job. Now finally Heist. Come on, Poco, let's see what you can do now. You can do something. You can do something. Now what to do? Okay, good shot there. Now. Too bad. No, I won't let you. I won't let you do that, Mortis. No chance. So, Brock, you're so dead. Oh. I killed him and he killed me. Okay, okay. I get it. No, 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 no. No. Seriously? I'm playing so well now. Oh, no. We're gonna lose this one. Come on, guys, do something. I'm trying my best, but I can't do much alone. I need the teammates. Come on, guys. You could do something now. Something helpful. I have to keep my distance. No, no, no. Oh, yeah. That was good, actually. Now we lose. Okay, so for Poco won 3 out of 5. Gem Grab, Brawl Ball and Bounty he did really well. Yeah, I know the teammates were really bad, but still, some blame must go to him, so yeah. Heist and Showdown he lost. Now next, it's time for Pam. Yeah. Starting with the Gem Grab. Okay, then let's go. Okay. Now. Doing much better then. Yeah, really good job. Still playing strong. Okay, okay. Still standing strong. Take the gems. Okay, good job. This is playing really well now. Okay. That was easy, I guess. Actually. Still standing strong. That was awesome. Yeah, that was just awesome. Really well done, Pam. Okay, now next we have in Duo Showdown. Okay, let's go. I think I'll hunt that Rosa. Okay, let's go. Okay, my teammate is out. So good job, teammate, for getting out. No, 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 no. Oh, a bad job from me. Looks like Poco and Bam both lost. Yeah, actually they did lose. Not looks like, but they did lose in Duo Showdown. Next we have Brawl Ball. Our classic, ever favorite Brawl Ball. Oh wow. As I said, we're already the underdogs. That's awesome. We're already the underdogs. No! We lose. Oh! Someone get the doctor. That was amazing. I almost had a heart attack. Really? Oh my. Amazing job there. Amazing. Good job, Penny. That was smart. That was smart. Good idea. Next, come on. You can do it. Oh my. Oh no. That was amazing. But we can get better. We can get better yet. But can we get the goal? I think you can score. Score. Oh! Amazing. That's how underdogs win. Sorry guys. But yeah, that's how you win. I think we can get the second goal. Can we? Oh my. That was just amazing. We were supposed to be the underdogs. But yeah, we still won. Good job there. Good job. Nice teamwork to all of you. Yeah, next match. Next, Bouncy. Now my thing here is really simple. I first have to hide and then just get them from there. He's dead. That El Primo is dead. Oh yeah. No. Oh my. Close. So close. Oh no. That is bad. El Primo. You're going down. Hey, where did he go? Oh no. I think we're gonna lose this one. Yeah. Now then, let's go. We can still do the. Oh! We tried well, but no. We didn't win this one. Okay, now it's funny actually. Till now, Pam has won 2 events and lost 2. So, if she wins the next one, then it will be a draw. If not, if she loses, then Poco is actually the master healer among Pam and Poco. So, let's see. This will be a deciding factor, guys. Look at it closely. This will be a deciding factor. And it will obviously be really hard, I guess. Depends on this one then. Let's go. Seriously. No. 8-bit, get him. No, it's her, sorry. Get her. I think we could win this. We have a good chance here. Hey, who's attacking us? No, I won't let you. I'm still there, guys. I won't let them win. I won't let them win yet. No. Not while I'm alive. Yeah, good job. We can do this now. We both at 40 now. Now, well, we must just do it fast. If we don't, we will lose. Someone do something, please. Please, no. Oh. That was so sad. That was really bad. Just bad. But the official winner in the match between the two healers is Poco. Good job, Poco. So as a reward, I'm gonna upgrade you. I think that's a good price actually. Not bad. Okay. Thanks for watching the video, guys. If you like the video, then please like and share it with your friends. And subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos like this. And write the answer down in the comment section below. Just repeating the question once more. How many skins have been taken from Clash of Clans and used in Brawl Stars, and name them? You have to name all 3 of them. Or one. Anyway, how many numbers? 3, 4, 5. As many as there are, you have to number it. You say the number and say the name. That's easy. And whatever videos you want next, please write in the comment section below. Those who get the right answers, the first 10 right answers, I will mention them in my next video. So signing off, goodbye.